Hey there, drone enthusiasts. Welcome back. Here is the intermediate course. Feel free to grab the controller and get started. We have already paired your controller with the drone and completed the pre-flight check. Move your drone to the start position indicated here. Once you pass through the first gate, your time will start. Each target that you are meant to fly through for the course will highlight green to indicate that is your current target. It will be yellow if it is the subsequent target. Red targets will be part of the path in the future. Good luck. Great job. Hurry, your time on the course.